Okay, and let me get you the latest information once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has had a conversation with the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken all the latest information from the Chief Minister in terms of what relief material is required, what has been done so far, what are systems and standard operating procedures that need to be re-looked to ensure that this was to be a very spectacular Kumbh. Why were there losses of lives? I want to cut across to India Today's Manjeet Negi, who joins us with the latest. The Prime Minister has spoken to the Chief Minister. Manjeet, what's the latest information that you can share with us?
Well, Gaurav, this morning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath second time in last 1 hour, and he has continuously monitoring the situation on the Kumbh, and central government assured the CM Yogi Adityanath to give all assistance and help to UP government. And Home Minister Amit Shah also spoken to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Health Minister JP Nadda also talked to Yogi Adityanath and give them assured to give all other facility and medical assistance to the injured.
Okay, and look at this. The Prime Minister has spoken to UP CM Yogi Adityanath for the second time in an hour. The Prime Minister is continuously monitoring the situation at Kumbh. And the earlier conversation had taken place earlier this morning, where they'd reviewed all developments and called for immediate support measures. Santosh, are we aware? Santosh, are we aware of what measures need to be undertaken? Okay, we will continue to get our team of reporters from Ground Zero to get you the latest information from the Mahakumbh. But there were multiple Akhada Snans that were to take place. The Akhadas were to move for the Mauni Amavasya Snan, but the Akhadas have now called off their Snan. Symbolically, they will take a dip very close to their Akhadas in the holy river. But now they will wait for the Basant Panchami Snan on the 3rd of February, and the Akhadas hope that the Uttar Pradesh police would be able to ensure better management this time. They are hoping that the Uttar Pradesh police will ensure crowd control that was found to be wanting today. And my colleague Santosh was pointing out some of the inadequacies in crowd control, where even when crowds were swelling up, police officers who were made in charges of various different sectors kept calling up their superiors for instructions. The superiors kept calling up their superiors for instructions, and this led to loss of time. Because of this loss of time, the crowds continued to swell, and while the crowds swelled, more people were coming in. There were several who were sleeping in that area, and some who were coming back after the Snan. That led to the chaos, which led to the losses of life.